Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Himanshu, or marketing psychologist. So if you want to learn about if you want to learn about marketing and business, you can subscribe my channel. Or okay, so today we'll discuss about mind map. What is mind map and how to create a mind map, and what is mind dump. Okay, so let me first share my screen with you. Okay, so I am sharing my screen with you. Give me a sec. So, okay, give me a sec. Yeah, this is a mind map. To save time, I have already created a mind map. Yeah, I tell you step by step, like how to create a mind map and what is a mind map and how it helps us to, yeah, to create content. Mind map is helpful for like if you writing a blog, if you if you're making a video, or if you're doing anything like if you're planning, it is like to plan something. Okay, so like I am telling you, like I created a video, introduction video on Facebook marketing. So for that I created that mind map. Okay, so like the center part is Facebook marketing, and Facebook marketing. Then the other branch is like first I told tell about the what is Facebook marketing. Like what comes in your mind, write it down and step by step. Like what is Facebook marketing? Then the role of Facebook marketing in digital marketing in DM. Yeah, we can rewrite this. Okay, like if you double click on this, this is a mind map tool by Mind Minister. Okay, so the first is like how to, like, okay, I can rewrite this, like what is Facebook marketing. So I can write something else as well. Okay, so the first second branch is, and the other topic is like a role of Facebook marketing. Like what is Facebook and then the role of Facebook marketing. So the it is like what is the role of Facebook marketing, and what the important point in this, like I have already written that some data, I have already collected some data which I used in my blog or in my video. Like Facebook has 1.56 billion daily active users according to HubSpot. Okay, so I collected the data by research. And the other is like what is the skill required to be a Facebook marketer. So the like I list some of the skills. Okay, so the first is like communication. I we like if you want to be a Facebook marketer, you need communication skill, then writing skills. Like so, the mind map helps us to be like to create a plan, to create a step by step plan on paper. Like it's a blueprint of the everything. It's a blueprint of your like YouTube video or a blog. What's the like the other is like must requirement to create a Facebook ad. Like we need Facebook account and Facebook page must if you want to create a Facebook ad. This type of things, like yeah, we can like if you click there you can also write something else according to Facebook marketing. And if you okay, okay, and if you write something on this, so click on that, then click tab. If you click tab, then a new window appear. Like if you click on this and click tab, for Windows. Okay, so when you click tab, then the other column is up, like other box is appear when you can write something like subheading or something. So this is like okay, and yeah, so that like the other thing is like things you should do and before creating a Facebook ad. Like what should you do before creating a Facebook ad? Like you need to create some goal, perfect. Set set goals for your Facebook ads. Set up your Facebook ads. So this is the this is the use of mind web creation app. Okay, so you can create like if you want to create some other data here, so you need to click on that and click tab, sorry, press tab, and then you can write anything. And if you want to write on this topic, then other again click tab this way. Okay, so if you want to delete this, so you can easily delete this like this. Okay, so control. Okay, this is the. Okay, so this is all for today, guys. Like this is the mind map creation on tool. Okay, so this is the video for today. Okay, let's meet tomorrow again. I yeah, I put videos every day on this channel. So if you want to learn marketing and the entrepreneurship and the business skills, you can follow me. I okay, so bye.